Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook white screen. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check other apps if it gives you white screen, because if that's the case, you would need to at least try to hard restart your device. Now, hard restarting depends on a phone's model. Okay, you'll have to Google it, how to hard restart my, for example, Samsung S21, and then follow the basic instructions. Okay, and once you've tried the hard restart, go ahead and check Facebook and see if it helps. All right. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and find your Facebook app. For example, you're using Android, tap and hold onto it and tap on the information icon. Now, if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to settings, general, then Facebook. Once you've found Facebook, just tap on it and tap on offload app or offload data. Now for Android, go ahead over to storage and tap on clear cache first. Once you've cleared the cache, go ahead and tap on clear data. Okay, tap on it, and once done, go ahead and reopen Facebook. And sometimes you might need to log in. Okay, so just go ahead and log in, and once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. And if that still won't work, go ahead and go to settings, find the search bar. Okay, so it'd be easy. Just go ahead and type down date and time. Okay, you're gonna want to tap on it and then make sure that it is set to the correct date and time. Let's say just enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone right here so that you'll not have problem to any other apps as well. So once this one is enabled, go ahead and reopen Facebook. If it's currently opened, close it, open it, and after that, test it out. If all else fails, you'll need to update your system. So find the search bar, type down system update or just update, okay? Just like so. Just tap on update and make sure that you have it all updated right here. All right, and that is how you fix Facebook's white screen. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.